Okay, now today topic is draw toolbar of AutoCAD. Suppose this is the draw toolbar. This one is from menu browser. This one is called menu browser. So from menu browser you can find draw toolbar. Also from this one, this is 3D modeling. You can change here 2D drafting annotation. So 2D drafting annotation you can change here. Now select this one and show menu bar. So now this one is menu bar, menu browser is shows. So there have also draw toolbar, and also you can find here this one by line. Suppose by command area, suppose this one is line, so just L enter, so line is coming in the command area. L enter means line is coming. So I'll choose first draw line. How to create line? Suppose line, specify first point. You can specify, suppose this one is 0 0 and this 1458 and 819, this one is shows here x coordinate and y coordinate from this 0 0. Okay, so you can specify the first point by x and y coordinate value. Suppose give here this one is suppose 1000 and then comma by keyboard, so 1000 automatically log, and now give here suppose 800. So now this one is 800, so enter. So first point is the, this one is x is 1000 and y is 800. So now how to create straight line? So on ortho mode, this one is ortho mode. By F8 you can by keyboard F8, press F8, so ortho mode is on, or click here, so ortho mode is on. Now you can create only straight line. Straight line means horizontal or vertical. So now from the first point I'll give, suppose here this one is 2000, so 2000 enter. So now this one is 2000, so total length is 2000, so 2000 just enter. One enter is line is break here, but line command is now activate. If you press escape, so now line command is deactivate. Okay, so how to satisfy this one is 2000 or not? Go to the dimension, linear, go to the dimension, linear, choose here, this one is endpoint, endpoint shows here, this one is endpoint and this one is another endpoint. So now this one is, click here, so now this one is 2000, this one is 2000. Okay, so now also create line here, another line. How to create angular line? How to create angular line? First I delete this dimension line, so choose delete to dimension and then delete. So now this one is delete. Then choose line, go to the line, and this one is endpoint, choose endpoint here, endpoint, and then this F8 should off. If you create angular line, F8 should off, so off F8, and then suppose this one is 1000, this one is 1000 and then 1000 and then tab, so 1000 is locked now. Okay, if you create 1000 then tab by keyboard, so 1000 is locked now. Now you can put angle by keyboard. Suppose give here 30, enter, so 30 is the angle now, so that is the 30 degree angle from the 0 degree. So 0 degree, now escape this one, so that is the one line created by 30 degree angle, and 1000 is the align length, not linear length. This one is align length because this one is tilt as a 30 degree. From where it is 30 degree, suppose you can create one line here, straight line, you can create one straight line here. So now this angle is 30 degree. How to check this one is 30 degree or not? So go to the dimension, this one is angular, just select this one and select that one, then this one is 30 degree. So now this one is 30 degree. Okay, this one is 30 degree, and you can dimension align, suppose this one align, select this one and select this one, so that is the 1000. So that 1000 is the align distance, not linear distance. Linear means only make horizontal or vertical. This linear dimension means only make horizontal and vertical, but in case of align dimension, this one should use align. Okay, so that is the simple straight line and angular line. Next create a new page by this plus icon. Go to the draw and then ray means infinite line. You can create infinite line by ray. Suppose select anywhere. By coordinate system also you can choose as first x and y value, or choose by arbitrary. Suppose click here. So now this one is one side infinite line you can create. One side infinite line you can create here. So that is the ray option. Then escape means out of the command. In any out of the command, choose escape here in AutoCAD. So now this one is construction line. Just this one is created by both sides. This one also an infinite line, but created in both sides. Suppose select here. So now this one is both sides. That is the difference between ray and construction line. Construction line also denoted by x line, xyz x line. Okay, so now if you create construction line, there have a 5 types of construction line is there. In comment area shows here, hor means horizontal, var means vertical, angle means angular, bisect, offset. So first one is horizontal. Just click here, so that is the horizontal. Next, also similar procedure, construction line, vertical, var, select var, and then choose here, this one is vertical. Choose vertical, this one is vertical line. Then also same procedure, go to the draw, same procedure, construction line, same procedure, angle, give angle of x line. Suppose give here 45, enter. So now the angle line is 45 degree angle. Okay, now construction line, this one is bisect. Suppose in the bisect, toolbar, suppose select here, these two angles are same, this angle and this angle are same. So that is the bisect. This angle and this angle, last created two angles are same, so that is the bisect option. Next one is draw construction line, this one is offset. Suppose give offset distance. Suppose I'll give offset distance here 20, enter. Okay, then what is says here in the command line, select a line object. Suppose I'll select the line, then specify side to offset, in this side or that side. Suppose I'll choose this side, so these two distance is 20, so that is the 20 offset distance. Offset also always makes parallel. Okay, so I'll choose this line. So one parallel line of this line is distance is now 20, because I previously given 20 is the offset distance. Okay, so that is the offset. So now this one is offset. So today, now this one draw, topic covered is draw, line, ray and construction line. Okay, thank you.